You think your credit card company gave you a $10,000 limit because they trust you. The truth? They gave it to you because they know exactly how human psychology works. If you only pay the minimum balance every month, you are their absolute favorite type of customer. Welcome to financial success. Today, we're exposing the minimum payment trap banks use to keep you in debt for decades and exactly how you can break free.
Let's look at the numbers. Say you have $5,000 in credit card debt at a 20% interest rate. Your statement says your minimum payment is just $100. It feels manageable, right? But here is the brutal math your bank doesn't want you to calculate. If you only pay that $100, it will take you over 9 years to pay off that $5,000 balance. And the worst part? You will pay an extra $5,800 just in interest. You end up paying more than double what you originally borrowed. Banks design these minimum payments to be exactly low enough that you don't default, but high enough that they bleed you dry for years.
It's called the minimum payment illusion. When you send in that $100, the bank takes the lion's share for interest. Maybe $80 goes straight to their profit margin, and only a pathetic $20 goes to reducing your actual debt. You are essentially renting your own money. They want you comfortable. This is exactly why they offer you skip a payment holidays or miraculously increase your credit limit right when you get close to maxing it out. It is not a reward for good financial behavior. It is bait to keep you on the hook. So, how do you beat a system that was mathematically designed to trap you? You stop playing by their rules. First, you freeze the plastic. No new charges, period. Second, you attack the math. If you have multiple debts, you need a ruthless strategy. You can use the debt avalanche, targeting your highest interest rate first to save the most money over time, or the debt snowball, knocking out the smallest balances first to gain psychological momentum. Whichever you choose, every extra dollar you throw at the principal balance is a dollar the bank can never tax you on again.
The bank's entire business model relies on your complacency. When you decide to pay more than the minimum, you are literally taking money out of the bank's pocket and putting it back into yours. If you are ready to build real wealth and stop funding your bank's corporate retreats, hit that subscribe button. Let me know in the comments, what is the highest interest rate you are currently fighting? Let's tackle it together. I'll see you in the next one.